Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very unique and special coin from Sri Lanka, the 2 rupees coin from 1995. This coin has a fascinating history and is highly sought after by collectors, so let's dive right in and take a closer look. Here it is, the 2 rupees coin from 1995. As you can see, it's a beautiful coin with a lot of intricate details. But before we get into the design, let's talk about the history behind it. The 2 rupees coin was first introduced in Sri Lanka in 1993, and it was designed by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka to commemorate the 50th anniversary of Sri Lanka's independence from British colonial rule. The coin was designed by a team of artists and engineers at the Central Bank, led by the renowned Sri Lankan artist, D.P. Atukarali. The design features a portrait of Sri Lanka's first Prime Minister, Don Stephen Senanayake, who played a key role in the country's independence movement. The coin also features several other symbols that represent Sri Lanka's rich cultural heritage, including the Dharmachakra, a symbol of Buddhism, and the national flower, the blue lotus. The coin was minted in limited quantities, with only 10,000 coins produced in 1995. Now, let's talk about the value of this coin. The 2 rupees coin from 1995 is highly sought after by collectors, both in Sri Lanka and around the world. In fact, it's considered one of the rarest and most valuable coins in the Sri Lankan numismatic market. The value of the coin can vary depending on its condition, rarity, and the demand from collectors, but it's estimated to be worth anywhere from 50,000 to 100,000 Sri Lankan rupees. That's right, folks. This coin is a real treasure for collectors, and it's a great investment opportunity for those who are interested in numismatics. But remember, the value of a coin is not just about its monetary worth, it's also about its historical and cultural significance. The 2 rupees coin from 1995 is a symbol of Sri Lanka's rich history and heritage, and it's a reminder of the country's journey towards independence and self-determination. Outro music plays and the host appears on. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on numismatics and collectibles. Until next time, happy collecting.